Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to configure a residential proxy on Gologin. First, when you're on the Gologin dashboard, click on Add Profile and name your profile as you wish. Next, head over to your proxy provider. In this tutorial, I'll be using Proxy. Click on Proxy Generator and select your desired country and other parameters. Click on Generate, and once you have your proxy, copy it. Now, back in Gologin, click on Paste Proxies within the profile you created. The proxy will be added automatically. As you can see, we now have the proxy's IP listed. Let's ensure everything's functioning correctly. Click on Run and wait for the browser to open. Once it's open, navigate to ifconfig.me and verify that it displays the correct IP. Perfect. The IP is correct. It's as simple as that. If you're interested in accessing Gologin and these residential proxies right away, head over to the description below for direct links. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.